For centuries, gold was something you had to dig out of the earth. It was heavy, physical, and limited. But the world has shifted. We have entered the era of silicon alchemy. Today, the most valuable resource on the planet isn't found in a mine. It's hidden within the code. It's flowing through the algorithms that run our world. While the masses are distracted by the noise, the alchemist is watching the data. Artificial intelligence is the new fire. It can either burn your old way of life or light the path to a global empire. You no longer need permission to build wealth. You only need the right sequence of instructions. The invisible gold is everywhere, waiting for someone to claim it. The question is, do you see the numbers or do you see the opportunity? Stop searching in the dirt. Start building in the cloud. Subscribe to Digital Alchemy. Let's master the new world together.